Michael weren't supposed to come to the place. When I told him to leave, he started to kick me door and he was going to hit me. And this terrified my young boy. I never knew which way to go.
I'm the Senior Solicitor at the Hunter Community Legal Centre.
I'm Michael Giles. I'm one of the Generalist Solicitors at the Hunter Community Legal Centre, and on Thursdays we run a regular AVO duty,
which we operate at Newcastle Local Court every Thursday by providing advice and representation to people who are at court in AVO matters.
Most people that we speak with don't have an understanding of the system at all, so they don't know what to ask. So that's why we try and provide them with as much information as we can and trying to make the system work smoother and faster.
On a typical AVO listing day, we leave the office at around 9:15 and we walk up to the court.
Details of anyone who needs assistance with an AVO. And then we usually refer them to a solicitor after we do a conflict check to make sure there's no problems.
We get their information and then we provide them with advice in relation to their specific matter.
Mark originally approached HCLC for assistance in completing an application for an AVO.
Well, my girlfriend's son lost the kids through docks. Wendy, my son's mother, got custody of the kids. The father wasn't supposed to come to the house, which he did. When I came home from work one day, Kaylin was locked in the wardrobe, scared of Michael. And when I phoned Michael about it, he was going to knock my head off. A hit to the head to me could kill me because of me bashing in 2002. I was put on a disability pension for brain damage. And I was told I never work again. And now I'm back in the workforce. And I got scared because a blow to the head could cost me my life. The police couldn't put a AVO on Michael because it had to be domestic.
We went through the AVO application with him, filled it in on his behalf. A solicitor from the Hunter Community Legal Centre, me, went up to court with Mark on that particular day. The defendant appeared and he ended up consenting on a without admissions basis to a final order which would prevent him having any contact with our client, Mark, for a period of 12 months.
They went to court and stood by me 100% really. I was a bit nervous. They were there and they approached me and they were a great help. I feel a lot comfortable now, knowing I got some type of protection, because my main fear was a knock to the head may be the death of me.
Every day, every AVO listing day is quite different. You can have days where you run off your feet but everything goes smoothly. You can have days where you only have a few clients needing advice, but every matter is extremely complicated. And then you can have days that are just completely and utterly crazy and you just...
I think that it's very important that we continue on with this service. AVOs are very commonly misunderstood. People think that they're a criminal matter. It's going to end up on their criminal record. So there needs to be more education and awareness about what an AVO is, what it means to have an AVO against you, and the consequences for breaching that order. And I think that if we can provide that advice to clients, it will assist not only in the smooth running of the court, but also with the client's understanding about the consequences of consenting to an AVO or opposing an AVO and what orders are made.
The good thing that's happened for us is people that are coming with personal violence orders. We're not funded to provide service to them. We have somewhere to send those people to because everybody should have a voice and have somebody to listen to them at court. In addition, a lot of defendants used to hassle us a lot. Now we've got also someone to send the defendants to.
I just think it's great. It's just, as I said, I can relax knowing that I don't have to worry about AVOs on Thursdays anymore because you guys are there.
Runs quicker, court now, because it's much more of a free-flowing system. So the magistrate can make sure that kind of community knows what the conditions are, and they then can explain that to the defendant. It doesn't have to be explained in the court. They do that liaison work with the defendant, so yeah, it does run quicker.
Ken and Kim are most of the best people going on this planet, because they know what they're doing and they will back you up in court.
Which now my boys feel a lot more comfortable, and I feel comfortable in myself too.